Good morning students, how are you? I am Francis and today we will be studying Standard 8 Moral Science. So before we start, I want to know whether you are fine. I hope that during this COVID time you have been keeping well. Yes? So let's start the chapter. The chapter is Love for our country, Patriotism. Patriotism means, love for motherland. As I have written here, love for our motherland. Yes, I have written it, but you know it quite well from your childhood. Because this is a very important aspect of our life. Patriotism. Patriotism means love for our motherland. And what is our motherland? The land where we take our, where we are born. Yes. So, the place where we are born, that place, it provides us so much things, so many things. It provides us air, it provides us fruits, it provides us shelter, it provides us grains, means every part, everything, natural thing that is present, we all are dependent on it. And it is a very essential part of our life. So, we should have some respect or also a bit of gratitude towards the land where we are born. But there are times, there are some people who put their greedy eyes, look through their greedy eyes towards this land and try to capture our land for their benefit. So it should be our prime duty to try to protect our land, because you can't imagine your life without land. There are, in this COVID times, you might have heard of those laborers, who had migrated to the various metropolitan cities. During this COVID times, they did not have place to sit, they did not have food to eat. Nothing was there, because they were migrators. That land where they went, they could not say that this is ours. And what was their life? Their life was just like hell. Only because, they did not have any land in their name. They did not have any land, which they could say that this is ours, so nobody can move us from here. But this did not happen. So they were forced to sleep in the streets or move on the streets, and they did not have anything to eat. They had to wait for 24 hours, 48 hours just for food also, which the government provided, local government provided. So you understand, whether it is modern time or whether it is old time, means any time or in future also, our land is, it is the very important as it's part of our life, part and parcel of our life. So nevertheless, there are so many requirements and so many things, which are there in our life. Our motherland, our country, our state, everything, any land that is around us has to be a very important part of our life. So though India is free, as we have known that it has been almost 73 years since freedom, this freedom has not been attained easily. There were so many wars that have been fought, so much blood that has been shed in the name of freedom. And why do these people pay such a price? You understand, because as I said, no land, the survival of a human being is very, very difficult. So here is a very simple story of a brave boy named Arjun, who, though being a small boy, he was quite aware of that how to prepare, how to save our motherland. He had a sense of patriotism in his. He has a sense of patriotism in his heart for his country. So this boy, in this story, there are three characters basically. First is Arjun, then we have Subedar Amar Singh, and we have Jawahar. This story has a background plot of Srinagar, where this Arjun was a village boy, and he used to milk his family cow and used to sell milk in the whole of village. And he used to also take the milk to the nearby army camp, which was situated very near to their village. And he was very much fascinated by the bravery work the these army people used to do, and this Arjun, no, he liked them and loved them so much. So whenever he used to go to the camp, he used to talk to these army people, and he was quite motivated with them. One of the people, one of the army members of whom he was very much motivated was Subedar Amar Singh. This Amar Singh, he also liked this Arjun. Okay, and they had a very good relation. So one day what happened? This Subedar Amar Singh was very happy one day, and he gave this army cap to this boy Arjun, and this Arjun, no, he was so much happy having this, having got that army cap. He considered himself to be as one of the soldiers. He was feeling such proud, having that uniform on his head. So that was a very interesting thing that was going on. So as the time passed, one day what happened? A stranger came to that village. His name was, as he said, who said that stranger said that his name was Jawahar, and he also stated that he was a businessman, came here for business, and he kept on. What to say? He was always trying to know more and more about the village as well as the camp nearby, the army camp nearby. So this brought a bit of suspicion in the mind and heart of Arjun, and Arjun always, that boy, that the person Jawahar, when he came to know that this Arjun has visits the camp regularly, he started coming close to Arjun and used to try to get more and more information from Arjun. But Arjun, being a clever boy, he didn't say anything. So this was the thing that was happening. So at that time, what happened? One day, Jawahar provided him a sweet packet and told that this is a very important, very delicious sweet. No, I want to thank my brothers and brothers from the army, because they are putting on their lives at stake to protect ourselves. So please give this packet of chocolate to these the army people, please. He requested. Who requested? Jawahar requested to Arjun. But Arjun, as he was of quite sound mind, he was quite suspicious of this type of activities of, what to say, his name was Jawahar. Yes, his name was Jawahar. So, when Jawahar, after giving away that chocolate packet, laddu packet, he went away. So what happened was that this Arjun followed him. Arjun followed him, and he followed this Jawahar went into the jungle. There he went. He kept on following. He reached a house where he saw that there were some people having Pathani suit, and they talked in strange languages, such that he understood that they did not belong to this local place. So what happened? He started peeping through the window when he saw that in the room were so many arms and ammunition. So all these things he could not bear, and straight away he ran and informed the Subedar. And Subedar, along with his troops, came and captured these all anti-social elements from that area. And this is the way Arjun showed the bravery. And whenever it comes to us, if we also get someday one chance or any chance, we should always try to serve our country, because if we are serving our country, actually we are serving ourselves, because in a safe country, who is the one who is safe? It is we who are safe. If we are making our country safe, we are making ourselves safe. So with this, I will try to end this video, but before doing that, so I want you to go through this chapter, try to complete the exercises, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, good day.